Hello everyone, Dr. Angshu here, and in this video I am going to discuss with you what are the 4 main reasons why data science has grown so much as a field. So number 1 is of course data availability. So there was a point of time when to collect even data from 100 people you had to conduct a market research survey. But nowadays, because of social media, digital transformation, etc., we have a lot of data available with us, right? So data availability is the first reason why data science has grown so much. Number 2, once you have got the data, you need to store the data. So storage has become widely available and very cheap thanks to the silicon technology. So that is one of the big reason why we can store large amount of data. Number 3 is processing. Underlying reason is similar to that of the storage. Because of a technological development, at a very low cost, we can get very good processing power nowadays. And number 4, but not the least, is availability of lot of very good free tools like Python and R. So now anyone can download these tools and learn data science and apply that for their own business or personal problems without paying any costly license fee. So these are the 4 main reasons why data science has become so popular. I'll keep sharing more such videos with you on a regular basis. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and LinkedIn page for the future videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye.